Want to 10x your outreach with a killer cold email strategy? In this video, I will show you how to set up a high converting campaign step by step using Instantly AI. From crafting irresistible emails to automating follow-ups. This is your ultimate guide to scaling smarter. Let us dive in. Instantly AI is a powerful cold email software designed to automate and streamline your lead generation and sales outreach efforts. Check out the links in the description if you would like to try the tool yourself. You need to create an account before you can use Instantly AI. Let us first go to their website. You can see here I am on the Instantly AI website. You can get started for free. Instantly offers a 14-day free trial where you can try out Instantly's features. But you will need to purchase subscription plan to use it once the free trial period is over. Here is their pricing plan page. You have 4 types of yearly plans. First is growth, second is hyper growth, third is light speed, and then enterprise, which is custom subscription. Then let us switch to monthly here. Now you have 3 types of subscriptions. One is growth, other is hyper growth, then the next one is light speed. Let us assume that you have a subscription plan and you want to get started with setting up your cold email campaign. Once you have the mailboxes warmed up and ready to go, next thing you need to do is to create a campaign. I will show you how to set up the campaign in the right way to increase the chances of success. You need to have a lead list before creating a new campaign, or you can also use Instantly AI's lead finder. You need to log in to your Instantly AI account. You can see here I am logged in. Let us start creating our email campaign. In order to do that, click on the campaigns button here on the left side. Then click on this blue add new button. You can give any name you like for the campaign. Let us call it as sales proposal. Then click on this continue button. First thing you need to do is to add leads to the campaign. You can start adding leads by clicking the add leads button here in the middle area here, or you can use this add leads button on the top right side. Let me click on this add leads button. Here we can add leads in 4 different ways. You can upload a CSV file, or use lead finder, or enter emails manually, or use Google Sheets. I made a separate video showing you how to use each of these methods. You can refer to the link in the video description. Let us add leads by uploading our CSV file that contains the leads by clicking on this upload CSV button. Navigate to the directory where you placed the lead file. Here I have a demo lead file. Select the file and click the open button here. You can see here the file is uploaded. You can also see the file name here. Here it tells the file is processed. Instantly automatically maps out the columns for you. Make sure the columns are mapped properly. Here we can see first name mapped to first name, last name mapped to last name. Then the title, we are not importing it, that's why it says do not import here. Company is mapped to company name, and then email is mapped to email column. Instantly automatically checks for duplicates as these boxes are checked by default. You can turn it off if you want to. Here you have an option to verify the leads if they are not already verified. I have a separate video that shows you how you can verify the leads with MillionVerifier before you import the leads into Instantly AI. You can refer to the link in the video description. It will show you the number of leads here. Our demo file has just 2 leads, hence it is showing 2 data rows here. Once you are ready, click on this upload all button. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Click on upload again, then your list will be loaded. Click on this leads again. We can see the leads are added here. Next, click on this sequences option. Sequences are a series of automated emails sent to your leads. The email series has a logical flow, each with a specific purpose and call to action. Let us start with the subject line here. It is better to have a subject line that is short and generates curiosity in the prospect's mind and encourages them to open the email. Let us type in question here, and then we will do some personalization here. We want to have the prospect's name as personalization here. Instantly provides variables that will be substituted with actual values when the emails are actually sent out. In order to insert the variable, click on this icon on the right side and select the first name variable. Then we can have the email body here. Instantly AI provides templates that you can use to start with and then modify the message as per your requirement. Click on this templates option here. If you have any custom templates, they will be shown here. Let us collapse this. You can see we have lots of templates here. Let me scroll down here. You can see there are so many templates that you can choose from. Pick any template that is relevant for your campaign. Let me select this lead generation template. You can see here we have lot of templates under the lead generation category. You can click on each one and then see which one will be suitable for you. Once you select the template that you would like to use, click on this use template button. You can also click on this copy button and then paste it into the email body. Here I want to use this lead gen agency getting more clients email 1. Let us click this use template button. You can see the whole template has been copied into this email body now. Here you can customize as per your requirement, and again after customization, if you want to use it in other campaigns and you want to save it as a custom template, you can click on this drop down box here and then you will see save as template option. Then you can click on this, then you can give any name to the template, then you can click on this add template button. Now your template is saved. You can also use this add variant option to add a variant of the same message. Instantly AI will use these variations while sending out the emails. Next, you want to have a follow-up email sent to your leads. To do that, click on the add step button here. The number of follow-up emails to send depends on your campaign requirements, but generally 3 or 4 follow-ups is a good practice. You can leave the subject line empty to use the same previous subject line. Again, for the email body, you can click on this templates button and go to lead generation category. Here we have used this template as our first email. Let us select this template as the second email, which is follow-up 1. Let me click on that one and then select this use template button. Now you can see that template has been pasted here. You can also specify here the number of days you want to wait before sending out the follow-up email. Let us wait for 2 days here. So I will enter 2 here. You can continue adding more steps here for the follow-up emails. Let me add another step here. This is step 3. Then click the templates again. Let us go to lead generation category again. And this time I will select this follow-up 2 email template. We can also click on this copy button. Now it is copied to clipboard. Here you can simply paste it. Once you are done adding the follow-up email sequence, here you can click on this save button to save your campaign and the sequences. You can also check how your emails look when they are sent to the lead by clicking this preview button. Here you can see the variables have been substituted with the real names. Here you can see what variables have been used and what values they are substituted with. First name has been substituted with leads first name, and this is sending account name, and this is sending account first name. These are your sending account details. You can also send a test mail to your own email and see if it is working as expected. You can click on this blue send test email button to do that. Once you define the sequence, next step is to set up the schedule for sending out the emails. To do that, click on this schedule option here. It is better to send out the emails during weekdays and during the business hours of your local time zone to have a better chance of your leads seeing your email. Your leads may be CEOs or founders of companies. They will be receiving a lot of emails, and if you send the emails on holidays or during the night hours, they may get buried in the volume of emails they are getting, and then they may not be able to see your email at all. I'm in US Central Time Zone, so I will select my time zone here. You can see here Central Time, US and Canada. Let me select that one. Then from time I will leave it as 9 a.m. and to time I will change it to 5 p.m. And for the days I want to send them during the weekdays only. So I selected Monday to Friday. You can give a name to your schedule. Let me just call it as sales. You can also specify the start and end dates here. You can click on this and then change to whichever date you want. Once you finalize your schedule, click on this save button to save your schedule. Then click on this options button. In the accounts to use section, you will need to specify your sending email accounts. Select all the ones that you would like to use for this campaign. Click on this drop down box to select the accounts and click on each one. I have selected these accounts that I would like to use in this campaign. These are all my sending email accounts. The stop sending emails on reply, you leave the button as enabled. Once you receive a response from the lead, it will stop sending further sequence emails. You can then directly communicate with the lead. For open tracking, leave it disabled. This will help your email deliverability. Same thing applies for delivery optimization also. You can check this send emails as text only to improve your deliverability. Here in the daily limit, you can specify how many emails you want to send for this campaign. Then you can click on this show advanced options. There are some more options here that are relevant for your campaign. You can specify the time gap between emails. Here you can specify max new leads, and you can also specify whether you want to prioritize the new leads. Then you can specify the auto optimize AZ testing, and then you have also option to check this provider match. If you enable this one, your mailbox provider will be matched with the leads email provider, so that it will have better deliverability. Outlook to Outlook or Google to Google will have better deliverability. Another option is here, stop campaign for company on reply. If you enable this, it will stop the campaign automatically for all leads from a company if a reply is received from any one of them. Then you can also enable this stop sending emails on auto reply. You have option to insert unsubscribe link in the header. Then you have option to allow risky emails, and then you can also specify CC and BCC emails here. Once you have finalized all the options, you can click on this launch button to start your campaign. You can also click on this save button to save all your settings if you want to come back and launch the campaign later on. Let me click this launch button now. You will get a confirmation pop-up asking, are you sure? You can click on this publish to start your campaign. Now you know how to create and launch a new email campaign inside Instantly AI. If you need help setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaigns, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any topic you want to be covered. Bye until next video.